Students, we are back in the studies of patenting. Okay, actually we have been discussing about what are the main patentable and non-patentable products and all in the previous sessions. We will discuss about a few more things. What is the procedure involved in patenting, filing, okay, and also patent infringement. These details we'll be discussing. What is international patenting? All these aspects will be discussed in this small video of what we are learning. Okay, so to get back to the procedure in patenting, a patent specification is a document describing the invention of which a patent is sought and setting out the scope of the protection of the patent. So some discovery or invention which has been done, that has to be going for safety protection, as we have discussed earlier. Okay, so one should give a specification about the overview of the invention, describe that, and also should explain about the scope of this. Then only the patent can be protected. Whenever there is a claim for the patenting, the inventor should give a specific legal style setting out essential features of the invention. Then only it can be protected. And also the filing date of the application is very important. Cutoff dates and all should be given very specifically, because in most jurisdictions the right of a patent for an invention lies with the first person to file an application, and hence it can be protected. As I told you, the priority claim is very important. A patent application may claim the priority from one or more previously filed applications. The first filing is very important. Okay, the patent publication is generally like 18 months after the earliest priority date of application. Prior to that publication, the application is confidential with the patent officer for 18 months. Okay, after publication, depending upon the conditions, the application file may remain confidential, but it is common at least 18 months it should be confidential in the office. Okay, then only it has to come through like it has to come out publicly available as an application. So the searching and examination means after the filing is done, as we discussed, the priority is given, and it is the application is for 18 months from the date of application filed. It is protected, and in the sense it is not a public document. Okay, but according to the laws, the examination is a process of ensuring that an application complies with the requirements of the relevant patent laws, and then it is coming for the application part. In the sense, whatever the invention has been done, it has to have an application based concept. That is why it has to go for the public document. But a patent is always the owned by the inventor only, provided they have to protect it. In the sense, they have to pay the fees, relevant fees, but it can be brought to the application, means useful concepts, like whatever, let's say there's an invention of an organism for lactic acid production, that can be used as an application aspect in the industry, provided the inventor is going to give the agree with the concept of selling it or giving it on a lease for the industry or any research center. It depends on the type of invention. It can be a microbe, it can be a technology, as I told you earlier. So issue is nothing but the grant of the patent, that is done in the patent office. After that, relevantly, according to jurisdictions, the required periodic payment of maintenance fees has to be given to retain the validity of the patent. Okay, failure to timely pay the fees results in loss of the patent's protection. So one has to really protect their patent. That's very important. After the required period of 18 months, they can really go for an application. I mean, in the sense industry oriented applications, means usage, or they can still retain it in the patent office and pay the fees relevant to that. In this context, let us understand what is patent infringement. It is nothing but a prohibition act where one cannot use the culture, microbial culture or a technology without the permission. Usually it is said to be like, any patent what you give is definitely going to be protected but technology should be used. Otherwise, what is the use of any discovery or invention? Correct. So that is fine, but totally it is not going to go out of the control of the inventor. That's what it means to say patent infringement is a protection, but provided you have paid the fees and retained it. That's all very important. Okay, permission may typically be granted in the form of a license. The scope of the patent invention or the extent of protection is defined in the claims of the granted patent. In other words, the terms of the claims inform the public of what is not allowed without the permission of the patent holder. The patent holder is the one who's the inventor. So it's very clear that there is need of the permission from them, from the inventor. Students, this is a small exercise or just to make you understand about the patent details. Whenever a patent filing is happening, there should be name, address, nationality, time of invention, proof of assignment, statement of the inventor, okay, the truth behind this, and the first inventor's name. All this will be included. I'll just read out few sentences. The application relates to patents file. So whatever application here is relating to patents file, it is going to be the first come first serve basis. Okay, to protect the author or the inventor. Author means what? It can be even a poetry, anything like that. The above document is given to in a triplicate in the prescribed form of the patent controller. All patents are scrutinized by the patent examiner who will send the objections. It takes 18 months, and if right, it is patented. So you have to wait for 18 months and notified in the Gazette of India. Any opposer can file the claims in 6 months of notification. So within 6 months one should file if any opposer is there for this particular patent. Okay, the selective words I've just given you, in the form of match the following. I'll send you this in the form of PDF later on. It's an exercise for you to learn. A given patent is valid for how many years? It is 15 to 20 years, and it's called limitation of time. Let's continue with another small exercise. Say true or false. An inventor has to file different applications in different countries for protection. True. Okay, he has to file different applications in different countries. To avoid expense and time loss, the patent cooperative treaty started only in India. Is it so? No. It's there in all the countries. Okay. World Intellectual Property Organization International Bureau is at Geneva. Yes, it is true. Okay. Searching facility is to check about material filed for patent. True. Okay. Limitations of space means patent given to a country. True. Okay. So I just want you all to understand about the related topics on patent. Okay. Let me give an insight on the copyrights. Okay. What is the meaning of copyright? Copyright is the right to copy or protect a thesis or research or prevent duplication. So the answer is protect a thesis or any invention or research and prevent duplication. That is the meaning of a copyright. Let us understand this in the form of an exercise. Say true or false. Copyright Act was given in 1957. True. It is the law of independent to each country. True. Indian Amendments 1981, 1996, 1999, 2000 is accepted globally. True. India does not represent copyright internationally and it's limited to its own country. False. It is actually having representation in all. It protects the author's literature, art, drama only when it is presented physically. True. It should be presented. Okay, otherwise how will you protect it? It does not protect computer program, examination question paper, questionnaire, research thesis. Is it so? No, it is false. it will protect all those. It protects a concept art work for 60 years after author's death. True, copyrights will protect it. It can be checked by plagiarism. Exactly, very true. Infringement of copyright leads to imprisonment for 6 months and with a fine of rupees 50,000. True. Okay, so these are some of the regulations in the copyrights.